If you want to give a signal to any VFD through which you want to operate the motor from some other place, then you will have to use this kind of potentiometer. This electrical device you are seeing, we call it potentiometer. Now in potentiometer, you will get 3 terminals in total. Now if you look at the backside of the 3 terminals, you will get to see the entire diagram of it. As I am showing you, the symbol of potentiometer is shown here. In this it is said that there is a 1 number terminal. To this terminal number 1 you have to give positive power supply. To terminal number 3 you have to give negative power supply, and from the middle terminal you will get an output signal. What will be the output signal? It will be in the form of voltage. It means that the input voltage that we will give here will vary with the output voltage here. For example, my VFD here will give a total output power supply of 10 volts to control its speed. Now we have to connect the power supply of 10 volts to this potentiometer. How we will connect? See, to connect you simply have to come here, and in your VFD you have to see where the terminal is given to connect the potentiometer. As you can see here, it is written as AVI and here ACI. If you want to provide voltage to VFD and do the controlling, then you have to use AVI for this. Apart from this, by giving feedback of current, if you want to control the speed of this motor, then you have to select ACI for this. It means that you have to select analog current input. If you want to select voltage, then analog voltage input. So wiring is very simple. What you have to do simply is, in VFD, where you get a terminal of 10 volts, you have to connect a positive wire to that terminal. But my potentiometer here is working a little upside down. So for this, I have to connect the black wire here. It means that I connected it to the 10 volt terminal. Now you will see here there is a red wire. This red wire is connected to this terminal of this potentiometer, and I have to provide negative power supply to this terminal. So what I will do, I will take this and the ACM terminal of this VFD here, you can see that ACM is written here. We get negative power supply on the ACM terminal. So I connect this red wire to the terminal in this way. Now after connecting this, I have to give a signal to this AVI terminal through voltage to control the speed of the motor. So I take this wire and I am connecting it here. You just pay attention here, the wire from which your potentiometer will get positive power supply will go to 10 volts. The wire from which the negative power supply will go to 0 volts or ACM. And the output signal that you will get, like from this grey wire we will get the output signal. So we will bring it here, and AVI terminal here, we will connect it to that terminal. You will have to make only this much connection for this potentiometer. Now after connecting this much, if I start the motor here, after starting the motor, if I rotate it, then through this I can't control the speed of the motor here. You can see that the frequency of 50 Hz is showing here. It is neither decreasing nor increasing here.